All right, so this video is to talk about how to use the Vokkero radio communication system for Big West Conference soccer officials. This is the radio unit, or the walkie-talkie unit, in my hand right now. The first thing obviously you need to do is take the battery and put it in. There's some gold prongs right here, and those line up with the gold prongs or the gold plates on the battery. You put that in like so, push forward, and then let it fall down so that it's secure in place. So now the battery's where it needs to be. In order to turn the unit on, you touch the power button right here where the power symbol is, and you just hold it down, and now the unit's on. If you notice a few things, each walkie-talkie has a number, and the only way that the walkie-talkie system will function is if the number 1 walkie-talkie is on. If the number 1 walkie-talkie isn't on, then none of the walkie-talkies will work. In order to adjust the volume, the first thing you have to do is unlock the radio, because as of right now, the only button that can work on the radio is the power button. The key symbol means that the buttons are locked right here. So in order to get rid of the key symbol and unlock the radio, you want to hit the OK button and hold that down until the key disappears, which it just did right there. And then now to adjust the volume, which the meter is right here by my finger, you would then hold the plus sign until the volume changes up, or the minus sign as the volume changes down, like so. Then as soon as you find the desired volume, what you'll do is you'll hold the OK button again, and then it will relock all the buttons so that nothing happens when you're using the radios. Other than that, the battery meter is right up here in the top corner by my finger, and that's how the buttons on the radio work. This other button over here that looks like a piece of paper with lines on it, that button doesn't do anything for us as far as the operation of the radios. The next part about the radios is the headset. So this is the headset right here. It has a connection piece at the bottom that'll go into the bottom of the radio. It's got your microphone, and then it has a place for your earpiece, and then a clip for your shirt. There's 2 types of earpieces, one that's custom made like the one that's in my hand right now. What you would do is you'd simply clip it to the bottom like this and start low, and then push the top until it clicks, and then you can adjust the microphone like so. If you don't have a custom earpiece, then there'll be some generic earpieces that come with the kit. There's 2 sides. The blue is left and the red right here is right, and then you want to take this piece right here and attach it to either one. It comes off. For this demonstration, we'll use the one on the right. Then what happens is they come with these little foam rubber pieces, and all you have to do is just get it so that it goes over the side right here. And so now you have that all set up. You bring out your microphone, again, start at the bottom and then push at the top, and now it's connected. So this would go in the right ear, and then you would bend this into the ear canal so that it all fits correctly after you insert that into your ear. So that's the headset. As far as connecting the headset into the actual unit, you have to be very, very careful. It only fits one specific way, so you need to line up the prongs so that it fits in with no problem. There's a red dot on the actual headset connector. That should go towards the back of the radio. So here's the red dot, there's the back of the radio. I just have it right here, and then it just goes in nice and easy. If you have to force it, that means you're not fitting it correctly, and it's really delicate, so don't break any of the connections, either on the actual unit itself or the microphone. There's also, if you are doing a push to talk, there's a separate attachment. The same thing would apply here. In this case, there's a red dot on this attachment. You would just line up the red dots here and plug that in, and now this button will push to talk and keep the radio silent. And then again, there's the red dot. On the other end, this red dot again faces down towards the back of the radio, and you just plug it in. All right, so that's the whole Vokkero system. Again, this video is for the Big West Conference men's and women's soccer officials. Good luck and have a great season.